Princess with the possibly 13 puppies? I don't know. Mama's awful sore looking. She's been working hard at it. Oh, you guys. I have this all nice and clean. Now, don't fall in the water bowl. You want to move that and drink it? They'll be in that, I'm sure. Drink? Okay. That's good. Just going to calm down some. Yeah, she licks up their pee. The last female I had, she was big on that. Eating poo. Drinking, guys.
Too cute.
This is a wow. Look at these. You probably got these little guys just at the right time because she's not able to feed them and Mommy can poo in here. Yes, we can. Oh no, they gotta go potty. You gotta go potty. Let's see if we can make this a little smaller so I won't lose you. Let's see, how do we do this? I get confused.
Oh, you're pooping too.
Mommy, come here. Here's Mommy. Oh, what? Go eat. Go eat. Some more? Nope, Mommy needs a drink. Oh, yeah, they're that cold. Anything they put out there is probably froze. Yeah. All the tails. These days are you buying? PUPPIES. Oh, for a minute. Oh, I want my picture taken of me. Sounds kind of hard. Yeah, when I have this many, I make several beds because I never know who's going to sleep with who.
Yeah.
And they'll take that tendency. They'll pair up and they'll sleep with one another.
Stop biting his tail.
You guys got a nice warm bed over here, and you're sleeping on the wall.
It's still warmer than where they were.
Oh, yeah. Well, fingers
Hi,
enough,
Mama.
so.
Hi. You're a cutie.
You probably dusted house, or just boarded up house.
Mm-hmm.
And she will wait until these kids get outside. And the dogs. She's been known to attack dogs. And so they called animal control. Well, we can't do anything with her. And I'm going, you can't get a trap. You know, the safety of these kids. What if this thing is rabid? But they're not going to do anything with it.
At least try to move her and her babies to someplace else.
I mean, it's not a safe condition for anybody out there. We're infringing on their area. I realize that. You've seen babies that do that. Come here. Get out of the way. Come here. Now. Oh, almost.
The bumper is going to knock him over.
Poor little thing. I'm just going to sit here until I fall on my head. Ah! The other one gravitates towards people.
Hi, Mama.
Hi. How are you? How are you? You got that puppy breath. Yeah, you do. You got that puppy breath. Yes, you do. Your nose is on you. My nose stays right where it's at. Yeah.
Do not get your belly full. Look at this belly. Look at this belly.
They're all in a crowd up there in a corner.
Yeah.
Oh, there's somebody in that picture. Can't get him.
You gonna go down and take a nap?
I can put your bed over here since everybody else is sleeping over here.